In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Notion to dark mode. If you work late, prefer a softer interface, or just want to reduce eye strain, dark mode can make Notion feel calmer and easier to read. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and share a few quick tips so you know what each option in the menu actually does. Start by opening Notion and looking to the very left corner of the window. You'll see your profile area there, often a small avatar or initial. Click that to open the main menu. This is where Notion keeps your account and app controls, so it's the quickest path to the appearance settings. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens the settings window where everything about your workspace and app behavior lives. We're heading specifically to the appearance controls, which Notion sometimes labels as theme or appearance, depending on your version. Click into that theme section. Inside theme, you'll see the different appearance options for Notion. The key choices are light, dark, and an option called Use System Setting. Use System Setting tells Notion to mirror whatever your computer is doing. If your operating system switches between light and dark automatically, say at sunset, Notion will follow along in real time. Click Use System Setting if you want Notion to stay synced with your device and change modes automatically without you touching anything. If you prefer to control the look of Notion independently of your computer, you can override that. Click Dark to immediately switch Notion into its dark color palette. The change applies instantly, so you'll see your pages, sidebar bars, and text restyled right away. This is great if you like your system in light mode, but want Notion to stay dark for reading and writing. A few quick tips as you confirm the change. If the contrast feels too strong at first, give your eyes a minute to adjust. Dark interfaces often feel different until your eyes settle. You can switch back at any time by returning to the same theme section and choosing light or re-enabling Use System Setting. Also, dark mode applies across your Notion workspace, so your shared pages and databases will appear dark for you, but other collaborators will see whatever they've chosen on their own devices. That's all it takes. Open the profile menu at the top left, go into Settings, head to Theme, try Use System Setting if you want automatic switching, and choose Dark to lock it in. Enjoy a calmer, more comfortable Notion experience.